Is plant necessary in marine ecosystem? Are plants presented in upper surface of the ocean or lower surface? If plants present in lower surface of the ocean, then how they get sunlight to survive? So, ladies and gentlemen, be ready and excited for this amazing information. Let's get started. In all the regions of the ocean, life exists and plants are the basic need for an existing life. They provide oxygen, food and shelter. The upper layer of the ocean gets sunlight with particles of rays absorbing the ocean. This process is called photosynthesis. Now, you might be wondering how the underwater plants get sunlight, because that is dark area and sunlight do not reach there. There are events occur called hydrothermal events. In this event a bacteria utilized named as chemolithotrophs. This bacterium is basically occurring a process called chemosynthesis. Chemosynthesis is a process that allows certain bacteria to produce energy from chemicals rather than sunlight. The bacteria that carry out this process are called chemosynthetic bacteria. For example, chemolithotrophs. Now I am going to tell you that how it's really work. Step number 1, hydrogen sulfide, which is a chemical compound found in the ocean floor, is used as an energy source by chemosynthetic bacteria. Step number 2, the bacteria use an enzyme called sulfide oxidase to convert the hydrogen sulfide into sulfur and water. Step number 3, the energy that is released during this reaction is used to produce ATP, which is the energy currency of the cell. Step number 4, the bacteria then use this ATP to synthesize organic molecules such as glucose, which they use as a source of food. Step number 5, other organisms, such as tubeworms and mussels, consume these chemosynthetic bacteria and obtain their energy and nutrients from them. Overall, chemosynthesis is a fascinating process that allows these plants to thrive in environments where sunlight cannot reach. It's an essential part of the ocean ecosystem and helps to support a wide range of marine life. I hope you enjoy this information. Don't forget to subscribe your channel Creativity, which give you creative knowledge. Thanks for watching.